Well, I think a lot of folks in the northern mid-Atlantic are going to remember the month of July for a very long time. It's been very active in terms of severe weather, and it culminated with a tornado outbreak last Thursday. This is a view of one of the tornadoes moving through the Bensalem area of Pennsylvania, which ended up being rated in EF3 with maximum winds up to 140 miles per hour. This was actually the first EF3 tornado in Pennsylvania. Of course, in the late 2000s, they redid the Fujita scale. It became the enhanced Fujita scale. So to have the last F3 strength tornado, you have to go back to July of 2004. So it's been a long time since Pennsylvania has seen a tornado that strong. We can look at how active it has been by looking at how many warnings have been issued by the National Weather Service. The Mount Holly office in New Jersey, which services the Philadelphia metropolitan area, has issued 29 tornado warnings so far this year. In fact, they all came during July, and that is more than a lot of the offices out in Tornado Alley. Look at this. Norman, Oklahoma has only issued 22 tornado warnings so far this year, and it gets even lower than that for the Fort Worth office, Wichita, Kansas, and Omaha, Nebraska. It hasn't just been tornadoes, though. It's been severe thunderstorms in general and even the flooding rain. Remember this back on July 12th? Slow-moving thunderstorms dropping up to a foot of rain along parts of the Interstate 95 corridor, leading to water rescues and flooded homes. Well, that was a flash flood emergency that had to get issued for 800,000 people back on July 12th. That's just one of the headlines that the National Weather Service Mount Holly office has had to deal with during the month of July. 20 out of the 31 days had a severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center within their region. And part of that tornado outbreak on July 29th came with it the first ever tornado warning from the office to carry the particularly dangerous situation tag, or PDS, for a damaging tornado that was observed and on the ground. It hasn't just been the individual office, though. It's really been the area as a whole. Pennsylvania in general set a new record in July for the number of severe thunderstorm warnings issued across the entire state, with 332 of them. The previous record holder back in June of 2007, and then in third place, May of 2019. New Jersey in the same boat, more than 100 individual severe thunderstorm warnings issued during the month of July. That's the most for any month on record. Previous record holder, July of 2019, with 93 severe thunderstorm warnings. Thankfully, the first week of August looks to be starting out on a much quieter note.